Hi, I'm the Boss Problem Buster, founder of the Pay Raise Commando, a senior organizational consultant of 24 years, having worked across cultures, industries, and ranks. I'm also a social psychologist with a master's and a bachelor's degrees, both with honors. My team and I train past over corporate professionals like you to get that pay raise and promotion you're overdue for so that you can finally kill your Monday blues before you sink further and bring your inner joy back, which is the best part of my job and the goal of this channel. Kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back. Now, back to the salt mines. Hey Busters, welcome back. If you're having an office romance, this is your wake-up call for salvaging your chances for a promotion and a pay raise, which an office romance will always screw up. To do that, we're on this Sex in the Workplace deck, covering all the angles of the 7 boss problems that make you unpromotable and unpay-raisable while having an office romance with your coworker or colleague, and more often than not, even after such a romance has ended, the downsides of which will linger for a long time. Fully understanding all the 7 boss problems will help you in 3 ways. 1. It will enable you to be very realistic about what's at stake for you personally and for your schmoopy in terms of your chances for a promotion and a pay raise. 2, you will better understand your other co-workers, the ones you're not involved with, and your superiors who do not see kindly to your lovey-dovey office romance, and for good reasons, as we've seen before. You're not focused on the job, you become a distraction for others, and you become an imbalance, a counter-equalizer on the team. Watch parts 1 and 2 here if you've missed them. So how do you even expect your coworkers and superiors to be cool with your office romance? Of course they'll start resenting you more and more, and of course this will be detrimental to your chances of landing that promotion and pay raise you so want. And the third way in which fully understanding all the 7 boss problems in this Sex in the Workplace deck will help you is you will know how to fix it, or at least manage it in a way that will minimize the prices both of you will pay, and you will pay. But hey, why kill the mood? Let's instead have fun understanding the intricate workplace dynamics regarding your pillow talk with Schmoopy. And also, let's see how 2 infamous sex scandals can give us a glimpse into how real the danger of pillow talk is to your success. All of this so that both of you are better prepared to protect yourselves. So, the number 4 of the 7 boss problems that make you unpromotable and unpay-raisable while having an office romance and even after it ends is the trust in your confidentiality is compromised. This is true from both your colleagues and superiors' point of view. The moment 2 individual co-workers become one clique, one unit, and not just any clique or unit, but a romantic one, which is especially cohesive and separatist in nature, i.e. the lovers, meaning you, are distancing themselves from the rest of the team. When that happens, it is sheer common sense for people around you to suppose any personal and professional information shared with only one of your lovebirds is going to be conveyed, not to say betrayed, to the other. How? Through a term that is called pillow talk. Indeed, pillow talk is not just a silly yet wonderful guilty pleasure of a Rock Hudson Doris Day movie. I'm an old Hollywood buff. But a real thing. Intelligence agencies use it, no less. Spies are sent to lure targets into pillow talk. And the suspicion of a pillow talk is exactly what happened in 2 of the most infamous sex scandals in modern political science. They are still well known to this day, which is quite an achievement considering the fact that they both happened way back in the 60s, one in the UK and one in the US, and they're very pertinent to our discussion today. The Profumo affair brought down the UK minister involved, the UK Prime Minister not involved, and their whole party in the following elections. It really played like a James Bond movie. In a nutshell, the then British Minister of Defense, John Profumo, hence the eponymous Profumo affair, with the affair aptly punned, well, he had a liaison with a stripper, and some say call girl, who, listen to this is a James Bond movie. She had a concurrent liaison with a Soviet spy in the midst of the Cold War. You can actually imagine Sean Connery being sent by M to extract information from her and ending up with a liaison of his own with her, of course. Anyway, the fear was that highly confidential pillow talk, which is why I'm bringing this whole thing up, was going on from said British Minister of Defense, no less, through his stripper/call girl lover to her other lover, the Soviet spy. The important thing to note is that it's not that information is known for sure to have indeed been compromised, but the mere potential for information to leak through pillow talk is in and of itself what compromised everybody involved. Because with everything that has to do with confidentiality and your personal integrity, optics is as important as reality. Thus, even if no confidential pillow talk is going on, you will still pay the price as if it were. If you'd like the full transcript of this video and all the videos on this channel, see the link in the description. It's on our website, bossproblembuster.com, because it's too long to paste here, so not a trick to get you there. But if you do hop over, you'll find many practical reads and a forum where you can discreetly and anonymously ask us anything in regards to landing that promotion and pay raise, to which we reply very quickly. So, if you'd like to get a promotion with a pay raise or a pay raise independent of a promotion, kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back, then subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so that we can meet again.